Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were discussing unit number 9, okay, and in the unit number 9, we had discussed the topic that was quiz yourself too. So today I am going to start with another topic from the unit number 9, that is quiz yourself 3, and this is also the last chapter from your GK syllabus. So after this we will finish. Okay, so not finish actually. We have completed after this quiz yourself 3. We have completed our GK syllabus, okay, and after that after this completion of the top chapter we will start with some extra question answers for the general awareness, okay, so that we will continue in the next session. So for today I am starting with the next topic and the last topic from our GK syllabus, that is quiz yourself 3. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 71, that is quiz yourself 3. So first of all I'll just write the topic here, that is unit 9 quiz yourself 3. Okay, so let's begin with the topic. So the first is, what is the capital of Egypt? What is the capital of Egypt? So you know Egypt is the name of a country. Okay, so every country has its capital. India, what is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. Similarly, Egypt is also a country, it also has a capital. So what is the capital of Egypt? So the capital of Egypt is Cairo. So Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Write down the answer. What is the capital of Egypt? The answer for the question number 1 is Cairo. C-A-I-R-O. That is Cairo. So Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Moving next to the question number 2. Who is the author of 5 Point Someone, 5 Point Someone and 2 States? So these are these two, the 5 Point Someone and 2 States. These are the two very popular novels, okay, and this, okay, book, these two books have gained so much popularity, okay, and the author as well. So what is the name of the author of the book? That is the 5 Point Someone and 2 States, okay. So the answer is Chetan Bhagat. The answer is Chetan Bhagat, okay. So Chetan Bhagat is one of an Indian novelist, okay. So he has written lots of novels, and this 2 States, 5 Point Someone, Half Girlfriend. So these all are some of the famous novels of Chetan Bhagat, okay. So you must have seen the movie that is 3 Idiots. That is also from the Chetan Bhagat only, वो भी Chetan Bhagat की ही लिखी हुई है, okay. After this Half Girlfriend, 2 States movie जो है, so all these novel stories, the stories of all these 3 movies, they are based on the novel of Chetan Bhagat only, okay. So Chetan Bhagat is a novelist. So the question was, who is the author of the 5 Point Someone and 2 States? The answer is Chetan Bhagat. So the answer for the second one is Chetan Bhagat. B-H-A-G-A-T. That is Chetan Bhagat. The answer is Chetan Bhagat. Moving next to the third one. Which is the longest bone in our body? हमारी बॉडी में सबसे लंबी बोन कौन सी है? So the longest bone in a human body is femur. So femur is the longest bone in the human body. So the hip portion के नीचे हमारी बोन होती है, okay, जो हमारे hips के thighs के पीछे का जो portion होता है बेटा, that is known as femur. Okay, so which is the longest bone in a human body? The answer is femur. So the answer for the question number 3 is femur. F-E-M, that is F-E-M-U-R. So the longest bone in human body is femur. Moving next to the question number 4, which is the largest herbivore on land? धरती के ऊपर सबसे बड़ा herbivore animal कौन सा है? Which is the largest herbivore on land? So the largest herbivore on land is African elephant. So which is the largest herbivore on land? Okay, तो धरती के ऊपर सबसे बड़ा herbivore, the animal who eats only in short we can say the vegetarian animals, those who eat only plants, trees and leaves. Okay, they don't eat meat. Okay, they don't depend on other animals for their food. Okay, so these animals, the animals those who eat only plants, leaves, roots, fruits, berries, okay, so they are known as herbivores. जिसको हम अगर हम ह्यूमन्स बीइंग की बात करें, we talk about human beings, so the vegetarian people, okay, those who don't eat meat, they are known as vegetarians. Similarly, the animals, those who don't eat meat, they are known as herbivores. So which is the largest herbivore animal in the world? So the on land, that is African elephant. And you know this question came in the KBC just few days back. I have seen the same question in the KBC as well, and this question was from 1,60,000. Okay, so which is the largest herbivore animal on the land? That is African elephant. The answer is African elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. African elephant is the largest herbivore on the land. Moving next to the 5th one. According to legend, what are the names of the twins who found Rome in the 753 BC? So उन दो twins means जुड़वा, जो एक जैसे दो होते हैं, example they are known as twins. So according to legends, लोगों के अनुसार, there were two person, okay, they were twins, they were brothers, they are twin brothers. Okay, those who have discovered or those who have founded the Rome. So Rome is a country, and that Rome is founded by them only. So what is the name of those twins? So their name is Romulus and Remus. Their name is Romulus and Remus. So Romulus and Remus, they are twins who has founded Rome. Romulus and Remus. So the answer for the 5th one is Romulus, R-O-M-U-L-U-S. Romulus and Remus, R-E-M-U-S. So Romulus and Remus, they have founded the Rome. Chalo. Next, the 6th one. What will you find once in a minute, twice in a moment and never in 1,000 years? So ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको 1 मिनट में एक बार, twice in moment and never in 1,000 years, you will never get it in 1,000 years. So what is that? So here we are talking about the letter M. We are talking about the letter M. Okay, so I just give it written here. Okay, I'll just explain it. So once in a minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. Twice in moment, M-O-M-E-N-T, moment. And never in 1,000 years, 1,000 years. Okay, never in 1,000 years. So once in a minute में एक बार, 2 times in the moment, and देखिए, in the minute you will get letter M for only one time, M-I. So in moment you will get the letter M twice, whereas in 1,000 years, इसमें कहीं letter M नजर आ रहा है? No. So what is the answer? That is the letter M. So in minute you will get it once, in the moment you will get it twice, whereas in 1000 years you will not get it. Okay? Now the question is, what will you find once in a minute, twice in a moment and never in 1000 years? So the answer is the letter M. The answer is the letter M. This is the answer for the sixth one. The letter M. Moving next to the seventh one. Who was the first women Prime Minister of India? इंडिया के सबसे पहली women Prime Minister कौन थी? So who was the first women Prime Minister और महिला प्रधानमंत्री कौन थी? So who was the first women Prime Minister of India? So the answer is Indira Gandhi. So Indira Gandhi was the first women Prime Minister of India. She is the mother of Rajiv Gandhi, okay, and she is the grandmother of Rahul Gandhi. Okay, so who was the first women Prime Minister of India? The answer is Indira Gandhi. So write down the answer for the seventh one. That is Indira Gandhi. Gandhi. So Indira Gandhi is the first women Prime Minister of our country. So these are the answers from 1 to 7. The first is Cairo, second is Chetan Bhagat, third is Femur, fourth is African elephant, seventh is Romulus and the Remus, sixth is the letter M, and the seventh is Indira Gandhi. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo. Moving next to the question number 8. We are moving to the next question, that is question number 8. The question number 8 is, which of these forms a dance in Pandit Birju Maharaj associated with? Bharatnatyam, कुचिपुड़ी और कथक। जो पंडित बिरजू महाराज है वो इन तीनों में से भारतनाट्यम, कुचिपुड़ी और कथक। सो पंडित बिरजू महाराज इज एसोसिएटेड विद which of the following dance form? Kathak, Kuchipudi or Bharatanatyam. So Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with Kathak. So Kathak is also the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and Pandit Birju Maharaj, he is associated with Kathak only. Okay, so the question is, which of these forms of dance is Pandit Birju Maharaj associated with? So Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with Kathak. So the answer for the 8th one is Kathak. So write down the 8th one. That is Kathak. K-A-T-H-A-K. That is Kathak. Moving next to the 9th one. The 9th is, in which city would you find the famous building Burj Khalifa? So Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Okay, वो दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची बिल्डिंग है. Which is, there are about 128 stories. Okay, 128, 160, 128 stories are there in Burj Khalifa, and its height is near about 828 meter. Okay, and it is located in which country or city? So Burj Khalifa is found in Dubai. So Dubai is the name of the city. The name of the country is UAE. Okay, so Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. So question is, in which city would you find the famous building Burj Khalifa? The answer is Dubai. D-U-B-A-I. That is Dubai. Moving next to the 10th one. The 10th is, who is the writer of the national anthem of Bangladesh? So the national anthem of Bangladesh and the national anthem of our country India is written by the same person. So who is the writer of the national anthem of Bangladesh or India? So the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore has written the national anthem of India as well as of Bangladesh. So the national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man, whereas the national anthem of Bangladesh is Amar Sunat Bangla. So both the national anthem of India and Bangladesh is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So the answer for the 10th one is Rabindranath Tagore. That is Rabindranath Tagore. T-A-G-O-R-E. So the national anthem of India and Bangladesh is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Moving next to the 11th one. The 11th is, what is Chrome a type of? Browser, social networking site, or instant messenger? This browser. Okay, so Chrome is a type of Chrome. What is a Google Chrome? You have heard about the Google and you must be using it as well. So Google Chrome is a type of a browser, internet browser. So if you want to browse anything, if you want to search anything, you can search it through the Google Chrome. Okay, you can so there are certain other browsers as well. Okay, so but Google Chrome is a type of a browser. So the answer for the question number 11 is browser. B-R-O-W-S-E-R. That is browser. Moving next to the 12th one. In the epic, the Mahabharata, who was the eldest brother among the Pandavas? So the Pandavas, they were 5 brothers. Okay, so who was the eldest brothers among the Pandavas? So there were 5 brothers: Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev. So they were 5 brothers, and who among them is an eldest? Eldest means sabse bada. So the eldest brother among the Pandavas is Yudhishthir. So Yudhishthir was the eldest brothers among the Pandavas. So write down the spellings of Yudhishthir. That is Y-U-D-H-I-S-H-T-H-I-R-A. That is Yudhishthir. So Yudhishthir is the eldest brother among the Pandavas. Moving next to the question number 13. With which state of India is the folk dance Bihu associated? So Bihu folk dance है वो कौन से state से associated है? So Bihu folk dance is associated with Assam. So Bihu is the name of a folk dance. Okay, that is associated with Assam. So with which state of India is the folk dance Bihu associated? So Bihu is associated with Assam. Okay. Assam. Okay, so most of the students of your class in school, they have participated in this one of the Bihu dance that was organized in the last year in the annual function, and most of the students, they have participated as well. Now moving next to the question number 14 is, which Bollywood actress plays the lead role in the US television series Quantico? So कौन सी भारत की ऐसी अभिनेत्री हैं जिन्होंने क्वांटिको एक यूएस टीवी सीरीज तो उसमें एक रोल प्ले किया है? So which Bollywood actress played the lead role in the US television series Quantico? So that role was played by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Her name is Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Okay, she has played the lead role in the US television series that is Quantico, and that is quite a very popular television series in US. So that role is played by Priyanka Chopra. P-R-I-Y-A-N-K-A. That is Priyanka Chopra. Moving next to the 15, the last question. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? So what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. R-I-Y-A-D-H. So the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. So Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. So these are the answers from 8 to 15. Okay. So with this we have completed the topic as well as the syllabus of the GK. Now in the next session we will continue with some more question answers. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in the next session. So till then everybody have a great day.